Well, there have been numerous sensational revelations in the Pune Posh double murder probe involving an underage VVIP brat driver. A number of news breaks of times now over the last few days have been confirmed by the Pune Police Commissioner, and there are a number of threads in relation to the incident as well as an attempt to cover up that are currently being investigated. The Pune Commissioner, Amitesh Kumar, addressed a highly anticipated briefing at noon, during which he made stunning disclosures. He's given us two big confirmations. First, that there was an attempt to change the driver and that the NCP MLA indeed visited the police station. But perhaps the bigger revelation and assertion that was made is that they would argue that the minor brat was in his senses and knew something like this could happen, even as the blood test results from the second test are awaited. Listen in to what the police officials said. The details that the police officials mentioned, including what was the attempt that was made to cover up as well. In the press briefing that was given by the police commissioner earlier today, the police revealed how there was an attempt to change the driver, saying that there was an attempt that had been made, saying who is the one who actually pressurized the driver, since the driver initially claimed that he was the one who was driving. The police officials are looking at at who was behind pressurizing the driver to admit that he is the one who was driving at the time of the incident. The police officials are in fact also looking at a bid to destroy the evidence that has not been ruled out yet.
आम्ही दोन्ही केस अत्यंत बारकाईने, अत्यंत संवेदनशीलताने तपासत आहे आणि एक चांगली केस, स्ट्रॉंग केस, जे आरोपी विरुद्ध जे गाडीचे ॲक्सिडेंट जे 304 कल्पेबल होमिसाइड अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डरची केस आहे, त्यामध्ये वॉटरटाईट केस तयार करण्याची दृष्टिकोनातून त्याचे विषयी आवश्यक एव्हिडन्स आणि ते एव्हिडन्स टेक्निकल एव्हिडन्स आणि त्या प्रकरणात कोणी एव्हिडन्स नाश करायची प्रयत्न केला का, हे सर्व गोष्टीवर ते एसीपी दर्जाचे अधिकारी त्या प्रकरणाची तपास करत आहे. हमारे जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस जरूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं. इस प्रकार के सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस और अलग अलग एविडेंस, टेक्निकल एविडेंस के तौर पे हमारी निश्चित हुई है कि ये गाड़ी ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज चला रहा था. इसके साथ साथ आई विटनेसेस की स्टेटमेंट भी हमारे पास है, जो इसमें हमने बताया कि इस प्रकार की कुछ अटेम्प्ट घटना होने के कुछ घंटों में करने का प्रयत्न किया गया था कि इसमें ड्राइवर, ये एडल्ट ड्राइवर ये गाड़ी चला रहा था और ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा था. इस तरह की बात सामने आ रही है. फर्स्ट ब्लड सॅम्पल झाली होती. फर्स्ट ब्लड सॅम्पलमध्ये अल्कोहोलचे कंटेंट वगैरेबद्दल विचारणा करण्यात आली होती. अशा प्रकारचे प्रकरणामध्ये पूर्ण कॉशनचे दृष्टिकोनातून एक आणखी ब्लड सॅम्पल घेणे गरजेचे आहे अशा आम्हाला वाटला, जेणेकरून पुढचे काळात जरी काही शंका असतील की ते ब्लड सॅम्पल्स मॅनिप्युलेट करण्यात आलेली आहे तर त्याबद्दल आम्हाला नक्की निर्णयावर पोहोचता येईल, म्हणून ॲज अ मॅटर ऑफ अबंडंट प्रिकॉशन ही सॅम्पल घेण्यात आली.
So apart from what the police commissioner has said, sources have also confirmed another aspect of a lapse by the police that is currently being looked into. The night of the incident where the accident had taken place, an inspector and his deputy had reached the spot, but they did not call in the incident to the police control room. And as a result, the night DCP didn't find out about the accident and the top cops only found out about the incident the next morning. In fact, we have breaking news coming in. We have spoken to the night duty DCP who ought to have received a call of the inspector who visited the accident site. Here's what he said.
आप उस दिन नाइट राउंड में थे, खाली क्वेश्चन जानना. क्या ये बात सही कि आपको जानकारी नहीं मिली?
जस्ट
क्या वायरलेस कंट्रोल में कॉल नहीं किया तो आपको जानकारी नहीं मिली थी? बात सच?
हाँ, मुझे उस टाइम जानकारी.
आप नाइट राउंड में थे
संडे को?
तो जानकारी सीनियर पीआई ने दी नहीं?
हाँ उस टाइम नहीं थी, आई वॉज बिजी थे। खड़क में एक फायरिंग का कुछ इशू हुआ था, तो आई वॉज ओवर देयर।
लेकिन नॉर्मली दिया जाना चाहिए ऐसा आपको लगता है कि वायरलेस
नॉर्मली देनी चाहिए।
Rakesh and Abhishek are joining us on the broadcast. They've been getting us details of the accident, every detail that has been missed out by the other channels. The police officials continuing their investigations. Rakesh is the one who, in fact, just spoke to the DCP as well. Rakesh, details coming in. In fact, every step along the way, there are details of how there have been lapses that have taken place. The night DCP as well saying that the first call was not made by the inspector, because of which he found out only the next day that such an accident had taken place. What are the details?
Yes, it was a Sunday morning when the senior officers got to know about this accident that has happened at 2:30 in the night. So the standard procedure is when such a big accident takes place, generally the assistant police inspector or the PI rank officers inform the wireless control room and they give this information, and then the DCP and IPS rank officer who's on duty, which is said to be the night round DCP, he visits the spot and takes over the investigation. But in this case, the API and PI of the Yerwada police, they did not follow the procedure. They did not inform or intimate the wireless control room through their wireless message. And they went to the police station, continued their investigation, the so-called their part. Perhaps they wanted to cover up the investigation, and only when the case was registered at around 8:30, after 6 hours of the accident, the senior officials got to know about this heinous crime, the accident, which was a very tragic. And not just that, the case was registered at 8:30 and the first blood sample was taken at about 10 or 11 o'clock. So remember, the accident happens at 2:30. The last consumption of the alcohol was at 1 a.m. and the sample is taken at 11 a.m. So there is a gap of about 10 hours, 10 long hours for the first sample, and then again there is a gap of 8 hours in the second sample. So perhaps the senior PI and API rank officer, now we are also being told by our sources that an internal inquiry is underway against the API and PI, and we may see some strict action against both of them.
Okay, all right. But there have very clearly been lapses, and that's where it comes in. But let's also speak about how did the killer brat end up behind the wheels of the vehicle? What happened that night? We're told that the killer brat had told his grandfather that he was going to a party with his friends who had passed class 12th. He received the Porsche keys and a credit card as well to pay for the party. He then drove the vehicle to the pubs while the driver only tailed him. When he came out after the party at the pub, where he racked up a huge amount in a short space of time, he looked inebriated, and hence the driver, in fact, told his father as well. The driver had driven the Porsche out of the parking, but the brat had insisted that he would drive, and his father had also given in, agreeing to these demands. So the driver then got in the passenger seat while the brat drove and his friends sat in the back. These are the details that sources suggest had happened on that fateful day. The police is now probing if there was any evidence of tampering. In fact, our team also confronted the grandfather of the accused juvenile, and he claimed that he would cooperate.
हम पुलिस और कानून को पूरी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और मदद कर रहे हैं जो भी हमारी तरफ।
तुम्हाला का आणलेलं चौकशीसाठी? छोटा राजन बच्चा चौकशीसाठी आणलेलं, छोटा राजनच्या चौकशीसाठी तुम्हाला आणलेलं का?
So the family members saying that they will cooperate, but the VVIP brat's grandfather may have a checkered past. According to a Shiv Sena leader, Ajay Bhosle, the grandfather of the accused had taken the help of the underworld don Chota Rajan regarding a property dispute with his brother, who was Ajay's friend. The minor's grandfather also met members of Rajan's gang in this regard. Later, he was also named in an attempt to murder case. Listen in to the aggrieved leader's allegations.
नाबालिग जो लड़का है जो परसों जिसने जो एक्सीडेंट में 2 इनोसेंट लोग की जान गई, उसमें उनका जो पोता है वो उनका पोता है इनका। तो 2009 में छोटा राजन को मेरा सुपारी दिया था मेरे को मारने के लिए। मेरा और राम का जो छोटा भाई है, इनका मेरा दोस्ती है, तो उनके पास आने का जाने का, तो उसको ऐसा लगा कि उनके घर में कुछ पैसे के ऊपर लेके झगड़ा चालू हो गया था। तो उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि अजय भोसले ही पूरा सपोर्ट करता है, इसके लिए उसने छोटा राजन को बैंकॉक में जाके मिलके मेरा सुपारी दिया था मारने। गोवा से मेरे को एक आदमी का फोन आया था। वो आदमी ने बोला 5 साल पहले हमने हमारे इधर का सिक्वेरा करके एक आदमी है, वो सिक्वेरा ने अग्रवाल को एक 100 एकड़ जगह इधर गोवा में लेके दिया था। वो जगह लेने के बाद में उनमें कुछ डिस्प्यूट हो गया, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, इधर के कोर्ट में 156(3) का केस दर्ज करके उसको आरोपी बना के कोरेगांव पार्क पुलिस स्टेशन के पुलिस लोग को मैनेज किया। एक प्राइवेट गाड़ी में पुलिस, इनका एडवोकेट झेंडे करके है वो, और 3 कार में सब इधर के गुंडे लोग को लेके जाके गोवा से वो आदमी को उठा के लाए। इधर से उठा के लाके बाद गोरेगांव पार्क में केस दर्ज किए, उसके पास से क्या लिखवा के लेने का था, उसके से पैसा लेने का था, लिए उसको एरोरा जेल में भेजे। एरोरा जेल में 15 दिन में वो आदमी की मौत हो गई। इसका भी अभी तक खुलासा नहीं है, वो आदमी मरा कैसा, क्या कैसा, कुछ खुलासा नहीं है।
In fact, we also spoke to the brother of the NCP MLA Sunil Tingre, who allegedly met and called people to dilute the probe and aid the cover-up as well. Here's what happened.
सर से 2 मिनट बात करना था।
सर नहीं ना, एक प्रोग्राम के लिए गए हैं।
कहाँ पर?
वडगांव शहरी में।
अच्छा अच्छा, आप सर?
भाई है उनका।
अच्छा, अभी नहीं है क्या?
नहीं है।
कब तक आएंगे?
ऐसा बोल नहीं सकते आप, शेड्यूल क्या
क्योंकि फोन भी नहीं उठा रहे सुबह से वो।
मैं आपका नंबर दे के रखिए, मैं बात करता हूँ।
हाँ
बोलिए।
उस दिन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस दिया था उन्होंने।
हाँ, प्रेस हो गया था।
हाँ, लेकिन फिर भी कैसा है कि कुछ चीजें बाहर आई है, उस पर थोड़ा उनसे बात करना था, तो अपना उनका डिफेंस क्या है वगैरह उसे रिगार्डिंग।
So, Abhishek, the family members of the NCP leader also refusing to speak. They're saying that he was not available at this point. But there are several sketchy details of the accident of that fateful day, of the few hours before and after on what happened. The police are also still piecing together what happened. They do know some of the details, some of which we just told our viewers as well, of how it was the VVIP brat who wanted to be behind the wheels. And even though the driver had seen that he was in an inebriated state, he refused to relent. His father also agreeing to this demand coming in despite knowing that he was inebriated. Details also coming in of this cover-up attempt that had been put in place. Of the details available at this point, tell us, what do we know of what happened that day and the cover-up that followed?
See, definitely, as I spoke to the brother of Sunil Tingre, who is the MLA who was present over there at this entire incident, and who is being alleged by the opposition that he was present and putting political pressure to dilute the case. In fact, what we also come to know that he was trying his level best at that given point of time, so that rather than the minor accused, the driver should be implicated as the real accused who was driving the car. But the eyewitnesses and the complainant stick to their statement, and they said that this was the boy whom we caught red-handed and he was the one who was driving. And there were viral videos of the entire incident that are on our screen, which clearly makes a point that it was the minor who was driving the car, and because of which the 2 precious lives were lost. So definitely, we have to understand there are 2 things happening at this moment. Pune Police Commissioner coming up and taking a press conference and briefing about that he has a watertight case, investigation is going on, 304 has been applied, and we are gathering all the possible evidence to make a point that the minor was well aware that he is committing a crime. He knows that he was drunk and
so
he is committing a crime.
Well aware of what could happen. That's a case that the police are currently putting in place. Abhishek, my sincere apologies.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।